How to replace car AC cabin filter. Locate the cabin filter. To remove the glove box, open the glove box. Press the upper left or right, then drop the glove box. Remove the cabin filter cover. Open the cabin filter cover, press the right click. Remove the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. Upon replacement, make sure the airflow sign up is followed. Put the cabin filter cover back and make sure it is properly clipped. Put back the glove box. Align the lower hinges, then push to lock the hinges, and then close the glove box.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe now.